Compliance underpins the sustainable development of pharmaceutical companies. In accordance with EU GMP Annex 1 and PEX, aseptic filling employs Grade A UDAF within a Grade B background. ORAB's internal area is Grade A, surrounding room Grade B. Airflow visualization verifies no ingress of lower grade air during door operation. Our client is a leading pharma focusing on chemical and novel drug R&D across therapies. Its open operation filling line lacked local unidirectional airflow protection and failed Grade B background cleanliness, in breach of EU GMP and PEX requirements. We customize flush-fit UDAF frames without layout changes, upgrading and extending local UDAF coverage. Wall-mounted touchscreen tracks fan status and differential pressure in real time. The UDAF system supports standalone or interlocked operation to sustain Grade A at critical areas. Return air walls optimize airflow distribution and ensure uniform cleanliness. Under EU GMP Annex 1, we optimize Grade A unidirectional airflow and cleanliness distribution for reliable first pass, protection and contamination control. Post-retrofit dedicated airflow visualization tests cover core filling and background areas. Full GMP checkpoints and risk management ensure long-term stable compliance. Robust clean containment with Grade A UDAF at critical filling points and Grade B surrounding zones ensures full EU, GMP, and PEX compliance. With global compliance insight, AUSTAR Technical Service delivers one-stop filling line compliance upgrades to support clients' global expansion. AUSTAR Technical Service, your operation and maintenance guardian.